Yeah, right. I've been dealing with all Christmas with this crap. I'm tired of it. I'm in Kathy mode. Glenn! Forget it!
You want to throw a couple of ones upside down on top of everything?
What do you want to give me? Just fucking go for it. They don't wash that way because you know you gotta do that. You can't do that.
What, did this stop before I came over or after I came over?
Who?
Did this stop before I came over or after I came over?
Well, this started way before you came over.
So, that was the straw that broke the camel's back.
No, that one picture was the straw that broke the camel's back.
Which picture was that?
It's the one that grandson was taping. She's
And
bonding with him and then he's taping her and she's acting like an idiot. And now she doesn't like to see herself acting like an idiot. So maybe she should quit bonding with Teresa and drinking rum and all this other horse shit. And trying to pretend she's 30 years younger than she is. And
maybe you should go in and give her a hug.
I think maybe. Got no room. Got no room for these. I guess they go in the garbage.
I'll pile them up on top.
Well, that's not the way to do it.
Says who?
Says when, because it's not, you can't go this way, you gotta go that way.
Oh, okay. Now I know why she's in such a good mood.
Why is she in such a good mood? She's taking on Kathy's vibes and she's taking it into her life, which has nothing to do with her life, but she's taking Kathy's vibes. And it's got nothing to do with her life. But, you know, gotta do that.
Hey, you need a little KY jelly for that.
So I'm gonna put this fucking thing on super wash, just to fuck the rest of the people up.
Now you hit go.
There's no go button.
Well, how come no lights are off? Did you plug it in? Well, I guess if you kick it, it'll get going.
That's good.